Hello and welcome. I'm Brandon, your safety trainer here with today's lesson on Cleanroom Good Manufacturing Processes. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile app to receive credit for this training. If you need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. A clean room is an uncontaminated room where environmental controls are utilized to prevent contamination of products. The primary focus is to limit the concentration of air particles and ensure that clean air standards are strictly enforced. To help you remain safe as you work in this environment, this lesson will briefly cover proper personal protective equipment, chemical handling procedures, and safe work practices. If you're used to working around hazardous materials, wearing proper attire isn't a new concept. You should know that PPE is extremely important to the safety of those working around hazardous chemicals. Every employer may have different standards about specific equipment, but in general, the following should be worn: cleanroom suits, gowns, aprons or acid smocks, hair and beard nets, gloves, eye protection, and for your feet, make sure you wear non-porous, closed-toed, closed-heeled shoes. Once you have prepared yourself by wearing the appropriate attire, there are a few more points you should remember when handling chemicals. Please follow these procedures whenever you handle chemicals or any other hazardous material. Always wear goggles and gloves while storing and unpacking chemicals. Those working with chemicals should be familiar with their properties. When in doubt, make sure you check the safety data sheets or SDS. Be careful not to spill drops of acid on the outside of the bottles. This also applies to beakers.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.